I will introduce you the outside and inside the part of the car. First, I will introduce you the outside parts of the car. First is the roof. Roof is to protect the vehicle's occupants from sun, wind, rain, and external elements. Second is the grill. Grill is to help provide air circulation in the engine room. Second is headlights. Headlight is to emit the lights to the front of the car so that the driver can safely. Third is a rear window. Rear window is to protect passenger and the drive from wind and elements while maintaining visibility. Next is wheel. Wheel produce a rotatory function and move the car from one point to another. Next is a door. Door for entering and exiting the vehicle. Next is a slide. Slide window. A side window on the car are important security and safety feature. Next is a windshield. Windshield to protect the vehicle's occupants from flying the debris such as dust, insect, and other, etc. Next is that would be the outside parts of the vehicles, and let's proceed to the inside part of the vehicles. Let's do it. Now we're here in the inside parts of the vehicle. Next is a dashboard. Dashboard is adjust the air conditioning or heating. Next is the heater. Heater course increasing the temperature in the passenger. Next is a review mirror. Review mirror is the drive see the road behind the reflection on the metal surface. Next is the headrest. Headrest is the limit to reward movement of the adult occupant's head. Next is a handbrake. Handbrake is to ensure the vehicles that not roll away were parked. Next is a clutch. Clutch is to engage and disengage the connection between the engine and the transmission. Next is a brake. Brake is to inhibit motion and absorbing energy from the moving style. Next is a steering wheel. Steering wheel is to control the direction of the vehicles. Next is horn. Horn is to active the warn others of the passenger to approach. And that's all. Thank you.